Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And unfortunately, the first update is an adjustment, but it's really the direction of the adjustment that is the bearish part. And once again, after today's price movement, the price, nothing drastic, nothing huge, but it's just slowly pushing downwards. And that adjustment comes in the fact of, well, at this point, it seems as though the key level of support is now going to be down there at 0.072. And as you just saw, not to insult your intelligence, but I needed to adjust that green line in the downwards direction, which doesn't mean it's the end of the line, but it does imply that the price is still now all of a sudden experiencing lower lows and then lower lows. Not in a drastic sense, but over time now it just continues to get lower and lower. And that's, like I said, just not a good sign of power that you want to see. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level down because the near-term area has now become right there at 0.079. So 0.079 near-term area of resistance, if there is going to be any sort of chance of a turnaround. Then again, 0.079 going to be that first key battleground, and it needs to be broken. And I'm also just going to get rid of that now that I think about it. That's really irrelevant up there. If 0.079 can be broken, then a much more relevant level at that point would then be the purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. And you can see right here, that level's generally speaking been a very annoying and very frustrating level. But really, before you even focus on that level, prices first got to get up above that 0.079 mark. So keep an eye on those levels. Going back to supports, already talked about 0.072. If 0.072 cannot hold up, then the next key level not until down around 0.068. So keep that in mind. But so far, so good. I'm not going to mark out 0.068 because you got to give credit where credit's due. 0.072 did do actually really good job holding. Price got down around there several times and held each and every time. But we'll see what happens with this one going forward. But yeah, right now things are looking pretty shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.